In this video, we're going to be talking about Telegram audio and video calling issue and the reasons why you could be facing it. So, number one, go ahead and try to toggle on and off your Wi-Fi and your data, also your airplane mode, just to refresh your internet. So, this is normally to ensure that you have a stable internet connection, because when you don't, then you will be facing these problems. The second is going to be by enabling your microphone and camera. Make sure that those are allowed. So head into settings, look into apps, and then search for Telegram in here and click on that. And when you click on that, simply go ahead and allow the camera and microphone by turning on these toggle right over here. And if that is not the case, try uninstalling and reinstalling the application and it should work. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.